Viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will walk you through different types of lookup function available in Power BI DAX. So in order to learn this, we have an example with chocolates. So we have two tables here. One is chocolates and manufacturers. In chocolates table, we have a column for manufacturer and respective chocolate name. You could see each manufacturer has multiple chocolates. Let's say I select Cadbury, I have multiple chocolates listed under Cadbury. Same way, if you look at the manufacturers table, for each manufacturer you have their respective origin country. So looking into the data model, each manufacturer has one-to-many relationship with chocolates table. So each manufacturer record in manufacturers table has multiple records in chocolates table. So it's classic one-to-many relationship. So that's the cardinality. Now with this setup, we are going to learn how to do a simple lookup within DAX. So let's start with the simple example. I'm going to fetch origin information for each chocolate. So I have a chocolate name here and I have a manufacturer. I just need to bring in origin information from the other table. So let me create a origin with related. So I'm going to use related function for this. Related, and all I just need to pass is one single argument, that is the output column name. I need manufacturer origin country. So when I just pass this, you could see all the results listed quickly. Now this is first approach, and this approach works only when you have a cardinality or relationship between your two tables. That is, in this case, both the tables are related, and we can go for this classic example. We can go for this related function. Now in case if both the tables are not related, how to fetch the information? Now comes the second example or second approach. I'm going to fetch origin information with lookup function. So in order to do this lookup function, I am going to use lookup value. That's the function, and this is very much like your VLOOKUP function that's present in Excel. So first column would be the result column name. I need to fetch the origin information, so result column is going to be manufacturer's origin country. Search column, it's going to be manufacturer name, and the search value is going to be manufacturer. So now we got exactly the same result while using both related and lookup. But what's different exactly in the background is the way how both the functions work. If you see related, it makes use of the cardinality between these two tables, and it doesn't look for any search value or other parameters, whereas lookup works without the cardinality, and it needs a column name for result column and the search column, the search value. So it's very much like your classic VLOOKUP example. So they both can be used, but related function has little more advantage than using lookup function in terms of performance, whereas lookup has an advantage of bringing lookup values even from tables that has no relationship at all. So you need to understand when to use which formula exactly. Now let's jump into the third scenario. Let's go to this table. Now all I need to do is I need to bring in at least one chocolate name for each manufacturer. For example, let's say if it is Cadbury, I need to bring at least one chocolate name that's produced by Cadbury. And let's see how exactly it works with your simple lookup function. Chocolate name equal to lookup value. I need to bring in the chocolate name, and search would be manufacturer and manufacturer name I need to pass. Yeah, so we landed with the error message. What it says? It says that a table value of multiple values was applied where a single value was expected. So keep in mind, this lookup value function, this works only when you have one result at the other side. But in our case, if you take Cadbury, you have multiple results. You have multiple results when you take Cadbury. So this will not work because Power BI doesn't know which result to be picked up in this case. So it is not clever enough to pick the first result or the last result. So lookup value fails when you have results more than one in case of match. So I'm just going to declare a variable manufacturer. This should be the manufacturer column itself, and then I'm going to declare a variable called result, and I'm going to use calculate for this. Not to do this, I'm first non-blank, which is the output column. I need chocolate name as my output column. I just need to pass a simple expression. I'm just going to pass value as 1. Come on, what should be the filter condition? We need to look for the manufacturer name. Chocolate manufacturer equal to manufacturer. So now return result. Perfect. So you could see now it has returned with some results because we have picked up all the matching values and we have picked the first one out of that. And in case if you want to get the last value out of this, you can just change this formula as last non-blank. Okay, there's a typo. Yeah, just last non-blank will give you the last matching chocolate's name. So this is another method you can do the lookup. When you have multiple results getting written, you can go for this method and you can still look for the exact matching value that you look for. I hope you would have found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.